So hello kids, today in this video we are going to learn how to draw a rocket. R for rocket. Okay, so let's start. So first I'll draw a triangle and then I'll draw a rectangle. Again I'll draw two triangles. And now a circle. Down I'll draw zigzag line to draw the fire. Inside a small circle, I'll put some dots. Outside I'll draw few stars. Now it's coloring time. Red color. Grey color. Blue color. Orange color. Yellow color. So that's it for today kids. I hope you liked this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.